Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by the blind crew. Sobole Nyonyi.
Isithibo kanjani?
Oyela ama noodles.
No. Niyayona man.
It's a rich soup.
No, mfowethu angifuni ukuba ngumsindo kakhulu namhlanje.
Sure.
You know, it's a relief ukuthi at least uyabona because abantu bese baqala ukukhuluma izinto eziningi ngokuluza nje 4 games.
Bese bashisa amaqala.
Ngokuluza nje 4 games. No, I'm talking about the league.
Yeah,
ngokuluza nje 4 games sebekhohliwe ukuthi kade coach bekhona.
Yeah.
Angazi le 30 points bayitshela ukuthi bayithatha but anyway, I think game yanamhlanje I think the plan was good, but obviously Chiefs were treading carefully because we don't want to use yet another game. But I think the game plan was good.
Yeah.
Except that they lacked presence in the 18-area box.
True.
I think Silva nje umuntu obefuneka.
Yeah.
But as you know, makungena uvele by no Vilakazi. It became clear that now outlet attack kuzoba ulilep.
Yeah.
Then things got better, but I think Uduba, there's a lot of work that needs to be done in terms of adlale as u9. No. I mean, he's good on the ball.
Yeah.
But I don't think he has the strength to be the main outlet.
Yeah.
But it's jabulile mfuthu ngokuthi siwinile. Let's hope going forward izinto zizobuyela right.
It's me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Tiyo kibo wena njaka.
Brastibo.
Ukraine.
Grand Brastibo.
I'm not. Man.
Sure. Brastibo man ish. Ki happy man, like say happy baba.
Yeah.
At least 3 points in Mupokoto.
Yeah.
Let's hope for the next game we thola another 3 points against Magesi.
Sure.
And then ke bone ntwe one ne Majita ba re jesa man.
Too much.
Because of how shebile ne bu Dupris le Duba. Aba fitness so. Umungcono if ngabathomile ka Majita ba tlwaetse go dlala each and every game bu Vilakazi wabona bushabalala wabona yibo la Majita ba Grand ba tlwaetse each and every game ba dlala no Majita each and every game ba change lineup ke yona into ebulaya wabona no re bulaya straight re tshepe next time nje ba ibonile into gore no tshwantse ba spane byang ba sa change too much because re khabata nje
ke a tshwara
Brastibo
Sandawana uzwile ukuthi Orlando throwile izolo
hayi ichance abablome shooting today na Monday Tuesday ayabuya amachempa blome endaweni yawo la belonga khona angisho yazi kuthiwa ladies first ngeke ngathi kubagaya ama ladies athi kupusha number 1 manje sengizobuyela
ngiyakubala
sengiyabuya
ngiyakubala
but sibo mari game emnandi man indaba Chiefs nama mistakes amaningi nama yellow card unnecessary abo Miguel
ndoda
Chiefs Chiefs nje like hayi bekumele wine fanda because ehamba beshaya egcineni ngibona umngane wami uMathews bese kutsile engasafuni nokumamela uGameva indlebe mayatheka isobho bese liphuma netswayo
bese li weak
avataya ngiyabongela ama-Jets hayi mara nenye into yona sithiba iDurban City I think isipane kakhulu ngale game iplan yayo like ubonile i-defense yakhona emuva la khona le out abathu Gcaba kube khona le out abathu umfana futhi Mkhize kube ile besingasuki lezi ama fullbacks wakhona bepleze eblomile ba pressure high futhi la iDurban City
izamile
sure
so man of the match khona nje before ngiyaku alright.
Yeah, well, mina Steve mfuthu, I think the young boys yibo abaperforme grand. Ngicabanga ukuthi man of the match bengingamnika uShabalala. Yeah, but I mean it was not that much of an interesting game. But yeah, I mean uShabalala ngicabanga ukuthi man of the match. Kodwa nje ukugcina Brawam.
Yeah.
Sweet lollipop. Yeah, sweet lollipop.
So bangitshele before ngiyaku alright.
Yeah.
Now uyile natural ngiyo striker.
Mfuthu no angiyanga lapho. Yazi mfuthu inkinga lento ya ama-fans aqale nini ukuba nesiko ukuthi ucoach makaqashwe bafake emalini abazomholela yona abantu abahlala phansi kahleni I mean abantu bathi they know who we want. Who's we? Because I'm a Chiefs fan and I was never consulted on the candidate. So I don't know who they want and I don't know how they plan to pay him, but it's fine. I mean let's leave that to the management.
Ngiyakubamba so thank you Rutman iko wena njalo.
Okay right here one chakwa zofela la lotsela FNB First National Bank khakha ishanga wana maphelo usha strati skhatelo sasarati skhopha sa Kaizer Chiefs batla ba go ishana mogopha le skhopha sa Durban City ile noto Kaizer Chiefs ile noto Durban City ka bona khacha bolo Bruce Fumo khacha wila tla motslinga zita kunika sina kuliona wila tla garampa le botle kral le bzama boy bona le bo maboy oral kabulete le onyaka asana level by oral kabulete le asana level by utila ga hlogo mnam khize bona ba le belor ba kaibia ka etsele bolo yo ba ile tla motsling ya ponga polo ara bona monna khacha bolo ira tla motsling ya monna majalai ara bona jala ya mlatlagala bolo ikrea monna le bo maboy oral kabulete le bo maboy ikrea mfundo vilagaze bona mfundo vilagaze shoshela bana feta ga bana o feta ka yena monna Terence Mashego bona mfundo vilagaze tša bolo bia motsling ya tlodi le bolle po akara
Makosi Sobulele Sobona ule akasachela sweet lollipop akasachela